Bedroom design ideas. Refresh your room with these stunning. Are you ready to breathe new life into your bedroom? Whether you're craving a calm, minimalist haven or a cozy, luxurious retreat, the right design changes can instantly revitalize your space. Bedrooms are more than just places to sleep. They're your personal sanctuary, a place to unwind, relax, and recharge. With just a few design updates, you can create a room that feels both stylish and welcoming. One of the first things to consider is color. Soft, neutral shades like grays, beiges, and pastels are calming and versatile, setting a tranquil tone for a bedroom. But if you're looking to add some excitement, don't be afraid to go bold. Deep hues like navy, forest green, or even jewel tones can add a touch of sophistication and drama. Pair these colors with metallic accents like brass or rose gold for a chic, modern look. Another essential element to consider is the bed itself, the focal point of any bedroom. Think of your bed as more than a piece of furniture, it's a statement. Opt for a statement headboard, whether it's upholstered for a soft, luxurious touch or made of natural wood for a rustic vibe. Layer it with plush pillows, cozy throws, and textured linens to make it irresistibly inviting. Don't forget to coordinate your bedding with the room's color palette for a cohesive look that feels both thoughtful and stylish. Lighting can completely transform your bedroom. For a serene atmosphere, go with warm lighting that casts a soft glow. Layering lighting is key. Add bedside lamps for reading, overhead lights for functionality, and maybe even a few stylish wall sconces. Fairy lights or dimmable LED strips around the bed frame can add a magical touch, creating a soft ambience that's perfect for winding down. Experimenting with unique light fixtures like a pendant light or a small chandelier can elevate the room's aesthetic while maintaining comfort. Furniture arrangements can make or break the room's flow. If you're dealing with a smaller space, try to keep it minimal by choosing pieces with a smaller footprint. Multifunctional furniture, like storage benches or bed frames with built-in drawers, can help maintain a clean and organized look without compromising on style. Larger rooms, on the other hand, allow for more creativity. You can create cozy reading nooks, add an accent chair, or include a vanity table. If you haven't already, make sure to subscribe, like, and leave a comment letting us know your favorite design tips so far. We'd love to hear how you plan to refresh your room. Plants are an incredible way to refresh any room, including the bedroom. Not only do they bring in a touch of natural beauty, but many indoor plants also improve air quality, adding a fresh, revitalizing feel. Try a variety of plants with different shapes and textures, from tall palms to small succulents, to add depth to your design. Placing them in decorative pots can also tie the room together and complement your overall color scheme. Your bedroom should reflect your personality, so don't shy away from adding personal touches. This could be anything from family photos and artwork to unique decor pieces you've collected over the years. A carefully curated gallery wall or a collection of framed prints can add color and character to plain walls, while a few vintage decor items can add warmth and uniqueness to the room. Mirrors, especially larger ones, add depth to the space, making it feel bigger and more open. Refreshing your bedroom doesn't have to be overwhelming or costly. Small changes like swapping out bedding, rearranging furniture, or even just adding a few new decor pieces can make a world of difference. Let your bedroom be a reflection of your unique style, a blend of comfort and beauty. Embrace the process and make it a space that brings you joy every day.